Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market right now, we're sitting at a very critical stage. There are some very important news which are coming out, and the next coming week is going to tell us even more. If we talk about Dogecoin specifically, yesterday it did fall down to 16.5, but today it has reclaimed close to 16.9. At the same time, the trading volume is just a little bit higher than 1.6 billion, but there are some more whales which are about to enter the market very soon, such as Dogecoin as proof of stake that has been announced by SEC. At the same time, US SEC begins talk on Ethereum ETF that might be going with the registration very soon, and the Republican cannot tell whether Dogecoin is a security or not. At the same time, more things are happening on the other end. But before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just happily to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now, the reason I use the very important word critical stage for crypto is it's not just for Dogecoin, but it's actually for the whole market. If everything plays out right, maybe in the next coming month we will be seeing Bitcoin at 100k, and Dogecoin will be following very shortly, because you can see every time Bitcoin shows any sort of positive movement, Dogecoin actually climbs very quickly, and that can be seen by how many times it has taken over Toncoin. And this news which dropped, Dogecoin as proof of stake, it has now become clear that SEC considers and is not giving up on that staking and proof of stake is a security. As yesterday, firms applied for the Ethereum ETF began to their application, and today 3 more asset firms have done the same, including BlackRock. They all pledged that Ethereum they will hold will not become subject to Ethereum proof of stake validation or used to earn additional Ethereum or generate income or other sources. And if they do that, that is the only way the ETF will be released. You guys just need to understand, proof of stake will put it as a security, and it would be very hard to be able to get the ETF released if you do want to see that in the future. It is a very far future for a Dogecoin ETF, but seeing a second ETF being approved in the next, let's just say 3 months since Bitcoin ETF got announced, this is a very big deal and very positive deal for crypto. And talking about the US SEC, you guys can see they have already begun the talks on the Ethereum ETF that will be being registered very soon. SEC reportedly begins talk on the season 1, or actually the section 1, registration for Ethereum ETF, signaling potential regulatory progress. Market optimism rises the discussion, driving the Ethereum price even higher. ETF approved could lead to an increased institutional adoption and further price gain. I mean, if this does happen, you guys need to understand, this will have so much inflow of money into crypto. I'm not just talking about Ethereum, but actually the overall crypto market as well. At the same time, consolidating at the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, the expectation is that it will break above in the next 24 to 48 hours, and the price target will most likely push it all the way to 22 cents, which is the most highest we have been in this momentum of what we have received. Keep in mind, this momentum that we have received for Dogecoin is very similar to this which we have seen before, and a lot of people are talking about this, and it's getting very close to the point where it should be breaking above 22 cents very soon. Another thing which is important is this: Republicans can tell me whether Dogecoin is security or not. This was mentioned by California, and in case you forgot who it is, it's a representative who blew kiss to Sam Bankman, who got sentenced to 25 years in prison. Now, this is a really interesting take on it, and honestly I don't want to say anything relating to it, but you can see that the Ethereum ETF is going crazy, and now it's even trending on Twitter. Now, another thing which is interesting, are they scared of Dogecoin? And finally, we see crypto advocates viewing this bill as their ticket to move crypto into a competitor with the US dollar. And finally, with the tomorrow's bill, they try to hobble the dollar by saying it can be a digital and we can have have a better system involving the dollar, and that's their system for having crypto outcompete the dollar. Now, it's just really good to see that this has been approved. I personally feel like this is definitely going to have a positive impact on the crypto market. I mean, if we talk about the open interest, it has fallen below 900 million when we talk about the Dogecoin open interest, and talking about the liquidations, let's just say it's very similar, with the short and long being around $1 million. Also, Dogecoin eyes a 20 cent as the miners stake 40 million Dogecoin after the Bitcoin halving event. So that should give you perspective. So even miners are deciding to hold for the long term, and staking 40 million Dogecoin is quite a substantial amount. Dogecoin rising utility fuels hope for the spot Dogecoin ETF. Now, the chances of this happening, because SEC is trying so hard to make sure that this does not happen, it would be a little hard to get this ready, but being optimistic is very important. Now, price prediction for the 22nd. Right now, it shows that most likely this momentum that we have received should actually break above to the point which I have mentioned, which is previous bull market high. Now, keep in mind, this bull market is going to be really explosive. You just need to be a little patient, and you guys will be able to see, because ancient Dogecoin world returns after 10 years. So you see, people are waiting long term, and some people are making a return, trying to see what will happen to Dogecoin. Also, Elon Musk issues a crucial warning to crypto community: insight, Black Mirror impact on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So cryptocurrency market has been experiencing significant volatile market. Regulatory development and microeconomic factors are influencing the market trends. Industry leaders are weighing in and their perspective on the future of the digital asset. Now, if this goes in the right direction, there is still so much room for Dogecoin to grow off this. And Dogecoin up 12% as close to $500 million goes to COINBASE and ROBINHOOD. So there is a lot of whales which are still holding on to Doge and trying to decide what to do. And this is the bill that I was talking about, which is the crypto industry scores a major win as the US House passes the FIT21 bill. So these bills are obviously going to be helping crypto become more legitimate. At the same time, Fred predicts the future crypto growth driven by democratic shifts. Now, this will happen. Keep in mind, more people, as more bills are going to be passed, more people are going to be paying attention to crypto. More people are paying attention to it, more people are going to be investing it, more money inflows into it. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, everything goes up. And lawmakers seek to clean up the crypto regulations. The food fight goes on. Honestly, right now, there's just so much critical stage that we have come to when it comes to the whole crypto market. You just need to be a little patient. If you're a Dogecoin holder, just forget about it for a little bit. When you come back, you will notice that the market would have made quite a good money for you. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.